हाय दोस्तों, हम आ चुके हैं जंतर मंतर पे फिर एक बार। तो अभी यहाँ पे पीछे आप देख सकते हैं, इधर दिखाइए, पीछे दिखाइएगा। इधर जंतर मंतर पर नारे लग रहे हैं प्रोटेस्ट के और अपनी जीत की खुशी के। और हमारे पास ये दो दो आज की जैन जी आ चुकी हैं। योर गुड नेम मैम?
यवनिका।
हर नेम इज यवनिका एंड योर नेम?
पूनम। पूनम।
हाँ, यमनिका एंड पूनम जी, मैं इनसे ये पूछना चाहूँगा, अभी जो धर्मेंद्र प्रधान ने रिजाइन दिया है, ये आपको लगता है कुछ ज़्यादा लेट हो गया, या आपको लगता है कि रिजाइन मारना एक हमारे साथ धोखा है?
I think it's very late. It took so long.
If he will get new position in his ministry, so it is, you thought this is a justice?
I think
No, definitely. I think that it won't be justice to us because we fought so hard to the government and everybody here fought so hard for his resignation, and if it happens like he gets a position in ministry, that would be a shame on the government side, BJP side. So I don't think that he should get any position in future.
So that's why I thought this question I get in my mind. That's why I asked you, because I thought last day I think I don't know his name. He's the central minister of BJP in the central government. He resigned before today, and I thought today Dharmendra Pradhan he will get this position. I thought.
Okay, so this is a very political question, I would say. Like, first of all, we should celebrate the first victory that we got, and obviously we are going to speak up and speak out for the things that we think are wrong in our system. And I think let's enjoy the first victory, and then later we can see, like, this is not our zone who gets the position in the parliament, obviously, but we would support anyone who is doing anything for the betterment of our country and the youth. So like, we got a justice, the education minister resigned, so I think it's...
Right now we got the justice for the 20 childs who lost her life, and whatever happened last 1 and 2 months, and in this 20th July some people are beaten by the police, and also our sister has lost his life. We thought she is Saheed, and what we will ever remember her, whatever she had done. So right now, do you have any thoughts to say our audience or our people? And so already she had. What it mean and what do you think about it?
so. As it's written, no matter who you are, what's your gender, identity, and color, just speak yourself. So we should speak for ourselves, and yeah. So he's the leader of
Like future president of Korea.
no.
Yes. He's
No,
a
but
candidate.
he's the leader of K-pop boy band BTS.
BTS.
Yes. So this is a speech where he spoke
has
this,
given- he
spoke
has
this
given.
quote, and it's very famous. And yeah.
So guys, you think in this single line what she said in his?
I think like people have raised their voice against education, but we should also look after for like any issues that we will face in the future, and yeah.
Like basic issues from air quality to education system to the youth not getting proper jobs, and there is also a lot of compromised security for women. Like, all these topics should be considered, and these should be like, we should speak up for these topics as well. Like, this is the beginning of the youth speaking and standing for themselves. So I think in future you will get to see more youth coming together and speaking for what is right and what are their rights. So yeah.
So this is the high time to revolution in our education system, in our government system, in other political system, and our running the public sector, running the government sector system. This is the high time in the revolution, to the revolution.
Question for your nation. This is our country. India is my country. I would question any government in position because this is my right. I want my country to be better.
So that's why our constitution is saying, from the people, for the people, between the people. Yes. So this is the the student power Jindabad and the Gen Z are the most beautiful peoples in this country. This gender has shown the mirror our peoples, our political parties, political members. So you have to know in the future whatever will be done if you done that kind of things. Do remember. Thank you.